It is not always necessary to start a painting with a photo. Sometimes you just have an idea, a vision or a dream perhaps, and to get started you just need to pick up a brush and mix some colors and start painting. Painting in this way really works if you are not too critical about the outcome. If you are critical about the outcome, you tend not to have that much fun. You tend not to experiment or play. So the risks of working in this way is that it may not work. You may have to start again. But when you take risks, the rewards can also be a lot greater. In my online workshops, you'll find many of these exercises, as well as exercises that lead to making paintings. Follow the link in the comments. Often these smaller works are a great way or a great step towards larger works or even series of works. It is important to experiment and to take yourself out of your comfort zone, to get to a way of working that suits you and that is a unique way of working.